Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. And today I have an unboxing of another diamond painting that I just got delivered today. My post, my posters, but it came in a U-Haul truck. I mean, yeah, it's raining, well, misting now, and it's raining outside. So I'm walking out here from my shed. I mean, from the house to my crab shed, and um. I expected it to come today. Well, they said it was initially was supposed to come until tomorrow. So when it came today, and I saw a U-Haul truck backing up in my yard, I'm like, who's coming in my yard? A U-Haul truck? It was my poster guy. Well, he was a new guy, but anyway, he was another U-Haul truck. But anyway, so I got my new diamond painting today that I just ordered Monday. And I was supposed to come tomorrow, but I got it today. So cool. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you what I got. I am going crazy with these diamond paintings. I want some more. I still got 2 coming in the mail. 3 other ones coming that I ordered before I even ordered this one, and they ain't even got here yet. I'm still waiting on my custom one of Anubis, and that's taking entirely too long. I wanted to hurry up. So, it's the diamond painting that I ordered from Amazon. Okay, this is my Runfar, and this is what it looks like, guys. She's so pretty, and this is 40 by 50. We got here, and I've been working on 2 diamond paintings at one time. I started on my peacock first, and then I started doing working on my dragon. Oh, this is so pretty! Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous! Look at, oh god, I'm starting with the glare. This shit gorgeous! Oh, and this is by Runfar. And this is what it looks like again. And this is the legend. It's square diamonds. I ordered square. I think I was able, I don't know if I ordered them, if I could choose which ones I wanted, square or crap. Rounds, I don't remember, but anyway, these come in squares. Oh, and okay. Oh, we got some good tweezers. They sent some washi tape. Cool. And a little diamond kit, diamond tool set. That, and it come with the multi-placer. And ooh, wait a minute. This looks like it's bigger than my normal sizes. Is this kind of this bigger? I can't even tell because my other ones are in the house. But I got some more other multi-placers that come with it. And some nice tweezers. Finally, I got nice tweezers with this. And 3 multi-placers. Wait a minute, nope, that's cover. Goes back on there. That's the cover. And 2 diamond multi-placers. So cover a total of 3 multi-placers and that. Guys, I plan to be making me some diamond some like I said, I think this is bigger than it usually is. I can't tell. This is like it's slightly bigger, might be the same size. I don't know. But yeah, I plan to use some of my drill pins that I have. I'm gonna break out my clay and make me some custom drill pins out of clay. And put those tweezers back in there. This is gorgeous. Like, oh man, this is just so. Sorry about the glare, guys. But isn't she pretty? Oh my side, it is so gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is pretty. Again, this is by Runfar. Okay. And I really don't want to take this off to smooth it out. I guess I'll do it because it's on there pretty good. So I'm out here with a jacket on because it's not really cold, but it is a little nippy outside. And these big bubbles. And I just put on a jacket to walk out here from the house to my shed. I didn't get up. I slept in late, guys. Because the weather, it does it to me. When it's raining and it's looking all dreary outside, that's what I tend to do. I sleep. Well, that's what I want. If I don't get up and do something, that's what I'll do. I will sleep. And you can blame my mom for that. Or I can blame my mom for that, because when we were younger, and it was raining outside, storming or whatever, and she said, "Come on, guys, let's go lay down. Let's go to bed." And let's take a nap. And we were all coming to bed with her. All me and my other 3 siblings, and we would take a nap. And that's what we did when it's raining, storming outside. So I've been like that. So rainy weather, this kind of weather I'm having now, this is sleeping weather for me. I'll be wanting to go to sleep. And I'm thinking after I do this video, that's probably why I go back in the house and do it. I'm messing up my mat here. And go back in the house and lay right back down. Even though my bed's made up, I can't stand my bed not being made up. But then when I make it up, I hate to get in it. Because the day's not over. It's not time to lay down in it. But you know what? At this point, I don't care. I probably won't go to sleep, but I'll be comfortable. I'll probably watch TV in bed. Then again, I might just lounge in the living room. I don't know. But yes, I got a new... what is this called? I can't remember. I don't know if this has a name. It doesn't. It just has the model number. And again, I ordered this from Amazon. That's the model number. And it has 20 colors. That's all. You would think something this big and pretty will have more colors than this. But it's just 20 colors. Oh, this is going to be fun to work on. Oh, God, I'm sorry about the glare, guys. I don't know. I would turn my light off, but because there's not a lot of sun outside, you probably won't get a good picture. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's too dark. Got my one light on over there. That's on the actual ceiling of, exposed to my loft area. I'm under my loft, my biggest loft area over here, so. Yeah. So I'm going to put this one under my mat as well. I'll turn the light back on in a minute, guys. I just don't want to blind y'all anymore with the glare. But yes, I still don't know how it was. That's coming up. Alright, so I'm going to lay this to the side. And I'm going to turn the light back on and show y'all the drills. Okay. Alright, so here are those, and here are the drills. And again, you identify these by the model number. Okay. And again, these are square drills. I remember my dragon that I unboxed. Oh, and these are little baggies. Now, I'm already liking their packaging. I'm going to have to... Runfar. You guys remember that Runfar. They are really good. I like the way they're packaged. Their diamond drills. Their kit, period. Get tweezers. The image looks like it's a good rendering on that. And these are all of the drills. Now, they just come with a number corresponding to the legend. Let's get the paper legend. I want to blind out with that again. But it does have the DMC codes on here. So I don't know if I'll work. No, I don't think I'll be working for baggies. Nope. I'm going to kit this up. But I'll keep the baggies and put them back in here. And I'll add the DMC number on these too. But yes. Okay, so I'm going to find those 1, 20, 19, 3, 4, 4. I'm thinking it's 310. Yeah, this black. Let's make sure we got all the numbers. 2, 3, 4. 2 4s. 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All the colors are there. Okay. Okay. Alright, tray. Okay, it says that 3 drill pin, 3 multiplacers. 6. Wait a minute. Yeah, 3 multiplacers. 6 drill, 3, and I can't tell. It's a big multiplacer. 54 little sticky tags, washi tape, wax, blue wax. From what I'm understanding, blue wax is the best kind. If you're not using the other stuff, putty or whatever. But yes, again, this is what she looks like, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and kit this up. Again, that is what she looks like. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. Okay, so this is my new diamond paint. Let me see how many I got. 2 in the house. 1, 2. There's 3. The limit. I finished 1, so I got 2 in the house. And I got 3 more coming. 3 are here, and then my 1 under here. That yeah. Oh. No, I'll save it for another video. Okay, guys, but yes, this is going to be gorgeous. I want to kit this up. I'm not going to do it on film, on camera. But yes, this is going to be gorgeous. And I can't wait to start on this one, but because I already got 2 started, I'm not going to start another one. I don't want too many whips in going on at one time. But this is gorgeous. And it's big. Oh, let's measure it. Let's measure it. Sorry if there's a glare, guys. Where's my ruler? Did I put it back where I usually have it at? I did. Okay, so this is, yep, it's not quite 50. It's like over a little bit of over, it's a little over over 49.5 centimeters long. And then this way, I should have measured in inches too. And then this way is a little less, about 2 ticks away from being 40 centimeters that way. And the inches is 15 and 5/8 inches that way. And take it away. And then this way in inches, it is, trying to line up right, about 19.5. So this is a really nice size. Man, I might have to get a nice big pretty frame for this one, or mount it some kind of way, because I'm definitely going to be hanging this one. But oh man, I can't wait to start on her. This is gonna be gorgeous. So I got that one, guys. So again, this is by Runfar. Oh, I'm gonna back up. By Runfar, and I can't wait to get started on this one. So I am going to be working diligently on the other two to get them done, because again, I do not like a lot of WIPs going at one time. I already got 2 going. One is around, the peacock isn't around, and my dragon is in square diamonds. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this back in here. But again, probably won't. I'll go ahead and kit this up later. I'll be doing this today. And I'm going to be getting those done really quick so I can start on this one. But thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a crafty, colorful day. Bye.